Hey, what's up, guys? How are you all doing and your families? I hope you're all good. This track is entitled Shell Shock. It's a deep tech house beat made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. Check out Linktr.ee/TommyTappah for more from me. Without further ado, let me know what you think of the track. Leave a like if you like, subscribe, follow, etc. if you're on social media. Guys, if you like that track, hit me up right here. Check out Linktree/TommyTappah for more from me. Yeah, guys, tap in for more from this channel right here.